My name is Lucas Friedman, and I'm here to improve my strength and ability to perform in my competitive hockey scene. And I'm also a volunteer firefighter and dream to do that for a career. So I want to improve my abilities there as well. I have extreme low back pain and my hip mobility is weak. And I have other joint problems and stuff that I work through here. Mostly just everyday tasks and ability to work. No like focus treatment, just like yoga and meditation stuff, which my mom does. So my mom, things that made it easy to understand around here was the help from Amy at the front desk, which is new, which is great. And the online portion in the apps, and both of them, they both help a lot. Progress to me is being in a tough spot currently, and then eventually slowly working into becoming a better person and better at what you want to do. It's more of a family culture, and it's like just talking to your friends, except they know how to do everything and they're doctors. So it's great to be around, and I tell them if you have struggles with anything physically, that you should do it and keep consistent with it and do your exercises at home. Yes, 100%.